Hey, what's up, guys? Recently I purchased a new pen from Smooth Precision Pen, and this is going to be the bolt action version 2.2 classic standard length pen that I got. I bought it in a kit, and it was $136 total with a 20% discount coupon code for Father's Day. So normally it's $170 if you buy it in a kit, and I got it for $136. What it comes with is this leather like notebook cover, and this notebook right here, and obviously the pen. I'll get to that, but the pen goes in here like that, so you don't put the clip on the over the leather. You actually slide it in there. It's very nice, and it's sealed up at the bottom. The leather feels good, smells good. And then also comes with this maintenance kit. You get a clip alignment, a T-handle torque wrench, and the bit, extended bit, and some replacement parts, which was nice. Presentation, how the pen came in the box and everything was very nice. No complaints there. So let's go on and talk about the pen. So let's just get some close up. This is the titanium stone wash. Action is very, very smooth. I actually like this action more than my tactile turn bolt action pen. It's much smoother. The reason why I got this pen is because I lost my tactile turn pen, which kind of pissed me off. So I looked for a new pen. I saw this and I decided I want to give it a try. One thing I will say, for me personally, I do not like the diameter of the pen. I feel like it's too small. It's definitely, this tactile turn bolt action standard pen is a 43.43 inches, I believe. And this one, let me see. It's 0.37 inches. Yeah, it's also very light. I guess it could be good. If you don't like a heavy pen, then this is definitely gonna be a pen for you. I mean, both of them take the G2 refill, so that's fine. That's one of my preferred refills. My favorite is actually going to be the Uniball 207 Bold, but G2 refills are fine as well too. Writing with it, I just don't like the diameter of it. Otherwise, it's fairly comfortable. If it's just a little bit wide, my diameter is a little bit bigger, and also if it was a little bit heavier. I just happen to like a little weight to my pen when I'm writing. But other than that, it's a very nice pen. Fit and finish is awesome. I don't think you can see it, but it actually says made in Texas. All right, that's where the pens are made. Anything else? Let's see. There's some mill work in here, engraving in here as well too. There you go, that's the inside of it. It has some serration that's on top of the pen here, so you can get a better grip. And as you can look at the clip, there is some spacing, which is nice. Because this is a pretty stiff clip. Also, the spacing when you're doing the engagement of the pen will not scratch the body. So that was a nice little touch. But other than that, I mean, it's a nice pen. If you like thin pens, I would recommend that you try out one of the pens. But if you don't like, if you have like say for a tactile turn pen and you got the standard bolt action pen or the side click that is the standard size, then you might not like this, because this is definitely lighter and the diameter is smaller. So you might want to keep that in mind. But here's some close-up. I don't know if this it's picking up the nice work, machine work and everything. But anyways, I'll provide a link. Go check them out. I purchased this pen with my own money, so it's not like a paid review. But I just wanted to, you know, let you guys know what I think of the pen. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.